Hello and welcome back. Today I want to talk with you a little bit about scissors and show you the proper way to hold them. To hold them, you will insert your ring finger into the top finger insert. Then place your pinky finger on this finger rest. Most scissors will have this if you are getting your scissors from your local beauty supply store. Next, you're going to insert your thumb into the bottom finger insert. Something to keep in mind is how far you are inserting your fingers with the inserts. You don't want to go all the way in. That will get them caught and will make it more difficult to handle your scissors, so keep them just at the edge of the inserts. Your other two fingers will rest slightly on top of the scissors. Something else to keep in mind is the movement with your hand. You just want to move your thumb when you're using scissors. You can practice that by placing the scissors on your hand. If the blade isn't pushing your hand down, you're getting the hang of just using your thumb to move that bottom blade. You don't want to chop at the hair. This will make it difficult to get a clean line. As you chop, the pressure from the blades will push the hair out, making the scissors seem dull. So as you're cutting, keep in mind that you're just moving your thumb. These are my tips for holding scissors properly in order to keep you and the person you're cutting hair for safe. I hope this helped you understand scissors and how to hold them a little better to get the best results with your cuts. Happy cutting, and I'll see you in the next video.